umiyak po ako kay Ken.
Have you been
Lagi po.
Oh.
Hindi po, hindi lagi. In fairness naman sa kanya, hindi niya ako pinapaiyak lagi. Konti lang. Hindi ko ma-explain kung bakit, pero yun. Kasi when you cry over somebody, it means that you really care for them.
Joke.
Okay. Tita Ethel, ang last question ba si Alan?
Ang last question ko kay Alan, pero may tatanong muna ako kay Guy at saka kay Eileen. Kayong dalawa, we all know na both of you are happily married. Hopefully. Ngayon, gusto ko malaman, sagutin niyo yung X and Y's.
Yun na nga kanina doon sa tanong niya, gusto kong sumali, kaya lang napunta na doon yung mic. Ako kasi, I have been happily married for 17 years. And kung tungkol sa X and Y's, hindi kami X. At hindi ko pa siya nabubuking, so wala pa akong tanong na Y.
Palit-palit ba ako?
Sinadya po talaga namin at sinadya ng creative team paglagay sa trailer. Talaga sabi nga direct, ilalagay ko to. Kasi ano ko yung linya ko yung lagi sa sarili ko eh. Pag siniloko ko eh, pangit ba ako? At sagot nila, oo. Charot. At si Liza nagtanong, walang makasagot.
So yun, Liza, anong reaction mo doon?
It went viral.
Violent na reaction ng mga fans.
I was surprised po, hindi ko naisip na yun yung magiging viral na line actually. Pero nakakatuwa. When people watch that scene, I'm sure that lahat sila makakarelate. Because if you're gonna get hurt in that certain way, mapapatanong ka talaga eh, bakit pangit pa ako? Kapalit-palit pa ako? So, yeah.
Yun, yung lumalabas yung mga insecurities ng tao kapag pinagpapalit sa iba. So maybe that's why yung mga Pinoy mahilig pa naman sa mga hugot lines. Kaya siguro naging viral yun.
Ano ang sagot?
What was special working with Direk Cathy?
Iba.
And what did you learn from her in this project?
Iba na. Si Direk Cathy, she goes for, the truth, the rawness, of telling a story. Not just, usually may formula of how you, show a film. Sometimes it's too calculated, alam mo yun? Iba yung rawness of them. Maybe that's why the match was looking for something that wasn't there. Maybe because from all the things that she's done before, they're just used to seeing that kind of formula and she's over that. It's more than just what they want to see. It's more of what, in truth, sa totoo, in real life, you don't always get what you expect. It's different. It might seem different, but it's real. It's true. And yung pagkarones yan. Sa mga ex ko po.
Ang pinaado?
Joke lang.
Lamang
Ako, wala akong tanong. Pag may tanong ka, hindi ka you haven't moved on. Hindi ka makaget over it. If it's all clear, hindi wala ka na mga tanong. Diba? Kung may regrets ka, dun may tanong. So ako wala.
So close na lahat. Si Direk, meron bang Y sa ex mo?
Ngayon na po, ang buong bili ko lang to para po sa mga ex ko.
Okay.
Sino pa sa inyo? Si Ara.
Wala na akong why. In fairness naman, lahat naman, parang dami. Lahat naman sila, isa lang masasabi sa akin, sabi na mabait daw ako. Siguro dapat hindi na ako maging mabait, no? Hindi, but I'm happy now. So, wala naman akong why. So, siguro, I guess, we're not meant to be. Yan lang.
Okay. Joros.
Hindi ako makarelate.
Tanong, can you imagine yung somebody from the poor town of Catanduanes nagsusulat ngayon sa Philippine Star. Si Pablo Tarino.
Ito Pablo.
Yeah. Thank you, Ethel, for a beautiful introduction. Kay Direk Cathy. Direk, first time ko lang makatrabaho itong dalawang young stars. So, what was special working with Liza and Enrique?
First time sa movie.
First time sa movie. Because the first time I worked with Liza during Got to Believe po. Siya yung parang triangle ng Kathniel. And then the next time I worked with her was full length na ito kay Forevermore. And that's the first time I worked with Ken too. Of course, as much as it was our first time noon, ito sa teleserye, hindi siya syempre ganun ka iba working with them again as far as getting to know them. But working with them in a film, na-realize
Exactly what Enrique said po. Lahat ng ginawa po namin dito sa movie na to, it did come from real life experiences at yun nga po, it's not like a fairy tale, like when boy meets girl and then suddenly there's magic, hindi naman po siya ganun. Nilalabas po namin lahat ng layers of a relationship and why it gets to where it goes. And yun po. Also, like Kathy said, we had to go through a lot of emotions that we haven't dealt with yet. Sorry, Ryan. Marami po kaming pinagdaanan na emotions dito na hindi pa namin napagdadaanan po sa totoong buhay. So, yun po. Hirap na hirap po.
So, would you say this is your most mature film so far?
Yes. Opo. So far. In terms of, I mean, siguro, hindi naman,
Actually, yun po, naniniwala po kami.
Na? Magkadikit na ba yung dalawang heart nyo ngayon?
Hindi.
Liza?
Bigla na lang mababaanin mo.
Oo nga, ito na, push na nga.
Pinapahamak ka niya sarili niya.
Oo.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, pag kami na po ako po magpapapress conference sa inyo.
So hindi pa.
But we we appreciate your honesty.
So Liza, hindi pa, pero going there, ganon.
Yes.
Ayun. Okay, tapos ask ko pa Liza, ano yung pinakamahirap na pinagawa sa iyo dito ni Direk Cathy? Na yun yung sabi niya, galit na galit siya na.
Oo nga, ano ba?
Parang ibig sabihin hindi mo makuha yung ang alam namin magaling kang umarte, tapos parang hindi mo makuha yung pinapagawa niya. Ano yung nahirapan ka?
Ano po yun eh, forevermore po yun.
Okay. Hindi, yung dito, ano yung pinaka nahirapan ka pinagawa niya?
Yung scene na nahirapan po ako?
Yes.
I can't tell you into full details.
Komportable ka kahit ano pang lagi kang paghubarin, kahit ano pang
So Dolce, ang dami mo hubad
Yun na nga eh. Well, komportable na lang.
Tapos
dami na lang.
ano ka doon? Okay ka ron sa sabi niya na hindi mo kailangan ng abs? Agree ka doon na?
Yes, pero kailangan ko po para sa susunod kong project.
Wow.
May gagawin kami. So, kailangan daw para dun sa susunod. So, kahit ayaw mo, sorry na lang. Pero, dahil sabi mo, yes.
Okay.
Pero, thank you naman dun. Sweet mo naman dun.
Oo. Okay, thank you.
Alan, thank you. And with that last question, Tita Ethel from Alan.